The Hubble Space Telescope has observed an unusual lenticular galaxy called NGC 1947. According to astronomers who are using the NASA ESA Hubble Space Telescope, the telescopes captured a striking photograph of the lenticular galaxy NGC 1947. The image from Hubble shows NGC 1947, which is a lenticular galaxy located approximately 40 million light-years away in the constellation Dorado. The image of NGC 1947 was made from separate exposures taken in the visible and infrared regions of the spectrum, with Hubble's Wide Field Camera 3. 2 filters were used to sample various wavelengths. The color results from assigning different hues to each monochromatic image associated with an individual filter. NGC 1947 is also called ESO 85-87 and LIDA 17296. The galaxy was discovered by the Scottish-born astronomer James Dunlop on November 5, 1826. It is a member of the NGC 1947 group of galaxies, which also includes spiral galaxies NGC 1892 and NGC 2082. NGC 1947 has an extended dust lane, which crosses the galaxy's center, and 3 panel minor axis dust lanes, which appear as concentric rings. The main dust lane crosses the galaxy's center along the southwest direction, while the others, less pronounced and parallel to the central one, are detected in the northeast side. NGC 1947 has a ring of molecular gas and a disk-like distribution of ionized gas centered on the galaxy's nucleus. Moreover, the stars in NGC 1947 rotate along the galaxy's major axis, perpendicular to the gas rotation axis. NGC 1947 shows off its structure by backlighting its remaining faint gas and dust disk with millions of stars. In the picture that is presented of NGC 1947, the faint remnants of the galaxy's spiral arms can still be seen in the stretched thin threads of dark gas encircling it. Without most of its star-forming material, NGC 1947 is unlikely to show many new stars being born within it, leaving this galaxy to continue fading with time. The Dorado group is a loose concentration of galaxies containing both spirals and ellipticals. It is normally considered a galaxy group, but may approach the size of a galaxy cluster. The Dorado group lies primarily in the southern constellation Dorado and is one of the richest galaxy groups of the southern hemisphere. The first person to identify this group of galaxies was Gerard de Vaucouleurs in 1975. It was identified as a large complex nebulae too in the Dorado region. Astronomer James Dunlop was a Scottish-born astronomer who discovered the NGC 1947 galaxy approximately 200 years ago, while he was studying the sky from Australia. NGC 1947 can only be seen from the southern hemisphere in the constellation Dorado or the dolphin fish. It exists around 40 million light-years away from Earth. This galaxy shows its structure quite clearly. The faint remnants of the galaxy's spiral arms can still be seen. Stellar Forge. This is an orange glow which radiates from the center of NGC 1792, and it is considered to be the heart of a stellar forge. This image was captured by the NASA ESA Hubble Space Telescope. This is more of an intimate view of the NGC 1792 galaxy, and it gives some insight to astronomers into this galaxy's powerhouse. The vast swaths of telltale blue seen throughout the galaxy indicates areas that are full of young hot stars, and that it is in the shades of orange seen near to the center that the older, cooler stars live. In the middle of the constellation of Columba, also called the Dove, NGC 1792 is both a spiral galaxy and a starburst galaxy. Within starburst galaxies, stars are forming at comparatively exorbitant rates. The rate of star formation can be more than 10 times faster in a starburst galaxy than in the Milky Way. When galaxies have a large reservoir of gas like NGC 1792, these short-lived starburst phases can be sparked by galactic events such as mergers and tidal interactions. One might think that these starburst galaxies would easily consume all of their gas in a large forming event. However, supernova explosions and intense stellar winds produced in these powerful starbursts can inject energy into the gas and disperse it. This halts the star formation before it can completely deplete the galaxy of all its fuel. According to scientists, they are actively working to understand this complex interplay between the dynamics that drive and diminish these fierce outbursts of star formation. Well, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about these beautiful images that the Hubble Space Telescope keeps returning. There is a beautiful stellar forge with NGC 1792, and then there is the image taken of the Lenticular galaxy, NGC 1947. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.